Hi, can I sit here with you all today? Sorry, this seat is taken. That is okay. I will just find my own seat today.
He sat down quietly, all by himself.
Good morning! Today is going to be a great day at school. I am going to wear my favorite uniform today.
Good morning, sweetheart. I am making your favorite sandwich for lunch today.
Yay! Peanut butter and apple slices! That is my absolute favorite lunch, Mom.
Good morning, champ. Are you excited for school today?
Yes, Dad, I am so excited. Today we are going to learn about outer space.
Here is your lunchbox, Leo. I packed your sandwich, apple slices, and a little treat.
Thank you, Mom. You always pack the best lunch. I cannot wait to eat it.
Have a wonderful day at school, buddy. Remember to be kind to everyone.
I promise to be kind. Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad. I love you. I hope today is a really good day. I love going to school. I am ready to learn about outer space today.
Leo arrived at school, excited for a wonderful day. He did not know yet that lunchtime would be difficult.
Wow! Look at all the planets on the board. I love learning about space.
The lunch bell rings. It is time for lunch, everyone. Please line up quietly.
I hope I can find a good seat. Maybe I will sit with my friends from class. Hi, can I sit here with you all today? Sorry, this seat is taken. Maybe find another table? That is okay. I will just find my own seat today.
Leo found an empty table near the window.
He sat down quietly, all by himself.
Here's my sandwich. I guess I will eat by myself today.
Leo ate his lunch quietly. He looked around the busy cafeteria and felt a little bit lonely.
Look over there. That boy is sitting alone too. I have never seen him before. He looks a little sad, just like me. Maybe I should go and say hello.
Leo picked up his lunchbox. He took a deep breath and decided to be brave.
I hope he wants to sit with me. Hi, my name is Leo. Can I sit here with you? You look like you might want some company. Oh, yes! Thank you. My name is Mateo. I am new here.
For the first time all day, Mateo smiled, and Leo felt his own heart grow a little bit warmer too.
Would you like half of my sandwich? My mom always packs way too much for me. Really? Thank you so much, Leo. Here, please try some of my rice too. Wow, this rice is delicious. What is it called? I have never tasted anything like it. It is called arroz con pollo. That means chicken with rice in Spanish, my home language. Arroz con pollo. That sounds wonderful. Can you teach me how to say thank you in Spanish? Of course. You say gracias. It means thank you. Try saying it, Leo. Gracias. Did I say it right? Gracias for sharing your delicious rice with me, Mateo. You said it perfectly. Nobody at this school has ever tried to learn my language before. Well, I am really glad I asked you to sit with me. I mean that you let me sit with you. The two boys laughed together, sharing food, words, and the beginning of a true friendship. This bracelet is from my grandmother. She made it for me before we moved here. I miss her. That is a really beautiful bracelet. I am sure your grandmother would be proud of you today. Come on, Mateo. Let us go to recess together. Let us go on the swings first. I will push you if you want, Mateo.
A girl with red braids noticed the two boys laughing together.
Hi. I am Emma. Can I play with you too? That looked like so much fun.
Of course, Emma. The more the merrier. This is my new friend, Mateo.
Soon, a boy with glasses and a girl with a high ponytail came running over too. Everyone wanted to play together.
Can we play tag with all of you? Mateo, you seem really fun to be around. I have never had this many friends to play with before.
The group ran and laughed together across the playground. For the first time, Mateo felt like he truly belonged.
Tag, you're it, Mateo. Come on, catch us if you can. Look at Mateo now. He looks so happy. This is the best recess ever. As the recess bell rang, Mateo realized something wonderful. He was no longer the new kid who sat alone. Thank you all for playing with me today. This was the best day I have had since we moved here.
Welcome home, Leo. How was your day at school today, sweetheart?
Mom, something really important happened today. Can I tell you and Dad about it at dinner?
Of course, sweetheart. Dad will be home any minute. Let us set the table together.
I am home. Something smells delicious in here.
Dad! I have been waiting for you. I have something really special to tell you both.
Now I am very curious. Let us all sit down for dinner, and you can tell us everything.
Today at lunch, nobody wanted to sit with me at first. I felt a little sad and lonely.
Oh, sweetheart. I am so sorry that happened. That must have felt very difficult.
But then I saw another boy sitting alone too. His name is Mateo, and he is new at school. I walked over and asked if I could sit with him. We shared our lunches and became friends.
Leo, I am so incredibly proud of you. That was such a brave and kind thing to do.
You know, son, kindness is like a small seed. You never know how much it will grow when you plant it.
The family shared a warm hug together, grateful for the kindness that had blossomed that day.
Good morning! I cannot wait to see Mateo and all my new friends at school today.
I packed you an extra sandwich today, Leo, in case you want to share with Mateo again.
Leo arrived at school the next day, feeling a little different than the day before, lighter, happier, and excited.
I wonder if Mateo is already at our table. I really hope he saved me a seat.
As Leo walked into the cafeteria, he stopped in surprise. The table was completely full of smiling faces.
Leo! Over here! We saved you the best seat at our table. Wow! You saved me a seat. Thank you all so much. This means everything to me. Of course, Leo. You were so kind to Mateo yesterday. Friends always take care of each other. I brought you an extra sandwich today, Mateo. And I still remember how to say, gracias. You remembered! Your pronunciation is perfect. De nada, Leo. That means you are welcome. Yesterday, I sat alone and felt invisible. Today, because of Leo, I have a whole table of friends.
Laughed and shared their lunches together, a rainbow of new friendships blooming at one small table.
One small act of kindness can change someone's whole day. Today, I learned that being brave and kind matters so much. Remember, you never know who needs a friend today. Be brave, be kind, and see you next time.